In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a newsletter on WordPress step by step using MailPoet, which is one of the easiest and most popular newsletter plugins available. This is perfect if you want to start collecting email subscribers, send newsletters, or build an email list directly from your WordPress website without complicated setups. We'll go from the dashboard all the way to displaying a newsletter signup form on your site. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress website and go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage everything on your site, including plugins, themes, posts, and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you have administrator access, because installing and activating plugins requires admin permissions. Next, we're going to install the MailPoet plugin. From the dashboard menu, go to Plugins and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type MailPoet. When you see the MailPoet plugin appear in the results, click Install Now. After the installation finishes, click Activate. MailPoet will now be enabled on your WordPress site and ready to set up. Once MailPoet is activated, you'll be guided into the MailPoet setup process. Look for the option that says Activate your MailPoet account and click on it. MailPoet requires an account and an activation key to unlock its features and connect your site properly. This step is important so your emails can be delivered reliably and tracked correctly. Now, you'll be taken to the MailPoet website, where you need to get your activation key. Log in or create a MailPoet account if you don't already have one. After signing in, you'll see your MailPoet key. Carefully copy this key to your clipboard. This key links your WordPress site to your MailPoet account. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and paste the MailPoet key into the activation field when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. MailPoet also provides detailed instructions during this step, so make sure you go through them carefully to ensure everything is configured correctly, including sender details and basic email settings. Now that MailPoet is fully activated, it's time to add the newsletter sign-up form to your website. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and then click on Widgets. This is where you can add different elements to your site's sidebar, footer, or other widget-ready areas. In the Widget section, find the MailPoet form widget. Drag and drop it into the widget area where you want your newsletter sign-up form to appear. This could be a sidebar, footer, or any other available section depending on your theme. Once added, customize the form by entering your details, such as the form title, description, and any other options you want to display to visitors. After saving the widget, visit your website and refresh the page. You should now see your newsletter sign-up form live on your site. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to add a newsletter on WordPress using MailPoet. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, website tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.